Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. Today we're going to do a channel update. And I want to talk a little bit about the YouTube channel, where we started, where we've come from, where we're gonna go this next year. The other thing I want to say is Happy New Year to all of you that have been so great in supporting the channel, watching the videos. I can't say thank you enough. Let's go over just a little bit about the history of the channel and where we started. September 26, 2015, I uploaded the very first video to YouTube. It was pretty bad, shot on the iPhone. Certainly wouldn't recommend you go back and look at it. And I wasn't extremely happy with it. So fast forward, February 13th, 2018. That's when I uploaded the video of turning the cross from a limb. The video has done very well with over 20,000 views. I can't really complain about how many people have viewed it and the comments on it. However, again, it was shot on the iPhone, never moved the camera. Audio is not great, so not my best work there. We fast forward again to May 23rd, 2020. I'm still really wanting to do the YouTube videos, so I have a big pecan log in my front yard and I do a video with my iPad of cutting up that log into bowl blanks. Well, once again, the audio was pathetic. So that's 3 videos. I'm not happy with one yet, and I made the decision that I wanted to invest in equipment, that I wanted to be able to give you folks some videos that I could be proud of. Well, when you start ordering equipment anytime during the year 2020 that has anything to do with tech or video, it takes forever to get it. So I finally got everything in, got everything put together, and on January the 20th, 2021, I released a shop update letting folks know that I was going to get started and I was going to get a little more serious about doing videos. Since then, we've released about 90 additional videos, and that would be from January the 20th until today. On January the 20th last year, we had roughly 200 subscribers. Today, we have over 5,300 subscribers. Folks, that's on y'all. I can do the videos, I can put them up, but if you don't like them, if you don't watch them, if you don't support the channel, then there's no subscribers, there's no views. Speaking of supporting the channel, I have been persuaded from some other YouTubers and friends and folks that I know to go ahead and join an affiliate program. That really wasn't something that I had intended on doing. I've had several offers to start affiliate programs and I've passed on those. But one thing that was pointed out to me is just how much money I have spent to put all this together, to be able to do the videos and get them out to you folks on a regular basis. Little things like the brand new computer that I bought with the hard drive that I would never fill up, and now the hard drive's full and it's time to do something else. I have joined Amazon Affiliates and I'm talking to a couple of others. However, let me tell you now, if I'm not using a product, if I don't believe in a product, I am not going to put a link down there for that product. If you want to support the channel, please go down and click on one of those links. If you purchase something, I get a small commission. But even if you just click on the links, it shows activity and it helps to promote the channel. If you want to help the channel without any cost to you, go take a look at the links and see if there's something you're interested in. I really appreciate that, and it will help to, some folks say, keep the lights on. We're not quite that bad a shape around here, but it will help to cover part of the cost of doing the videos. The other thing is, thank you so much to the folks who have been subscribing to the channel, who've been liking and commenting. Those simple actions go a long way towards keeping the channel up front and the YouTube algorithm pushing it out to other folks to see. And that's the way the YouTube channels grow. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Folks, we have come so far in a year. To think about it, a year ago, we were sitting on 200 subscribers. That it happened over basically a 5-year period. And then here we are 12 months later, well, not even quite 12 months later, and we're at 5,300 subscribers. Now, I had kind of set a goal back in September when I saw where this was going to hit 6,000 by the time I had been uploading a year seriously. And I don't know that we'll make that, and it is no big deal if we do or don't. It was just a goal, and I thought it might be a push, but it looks like we're going to end up real close to that. And again, thank you folks for doing that. The one thing that I would have asked multiple times is for feedback. Let me know what you want to see. This is not so much my channel, it's your channel. If I'm putting things out there that are helping you, let me know in the comments. Again, that just helps promote the channel. If I'm doing something you don't like, again, let me know in comments. Tell me. None of us are perfect, and we can all get better, and I am no exception to that rule. So I consider this teamwork. We're going to help each other. And as I get better, and as you get better, we can share that information between us, and we all get better. We all get stronger. And again, the whole reason for doing this is to have fun and enjoy it, right? So what are we going to do in 2022? I like that. What are we going to do in 2022? That kind of has a little bit of snap to it. Well, I've had a lot of questions about sharpening. And you know, back in August, I bought a couple of CBN wheels. I haven't even taken the time to put them on the grinder. So we're going to do a video around the CBN wheels. We're going to do some sharpening videos. I've got several projects that I've got lined up that we're going to be doing more project videos. One of the things that I want to try to do a little bit more of is the tip videos. One of the things that I know I'm going to be releasing here within the next week or so is sanding sticks for being able to reach up and sand the inside of some vessels and things. And I think you folks might like that. I haven't seen anybody else do anything like what I'm getting ready to release. So stay tuned, and again, you might want to click the notification bell if you haven't already, so when I release that, you get notified and you know to go watch it, okay? So one of the other things that I plan on doing a few more of this year is some bowls. My favorite thing to turn beyond anything is bowls. I love it. We're going to do some coring videos. For those of you that have coring tools or are thinking about getting coring tools, you might be interested in that. One of the other projects that I am going to be working on this year, and it'll be a year-long project, so it probably won't be released on the channel per se, but I am going to do a beginner wood turning course for some of the folks that are just getting started or haven't been turning that long. And hopefully that's released about a year from now, because I foresee that taking at least that long to get everything done, get it edited, and make sure that it's a complete course that'll take you through step by step from choosing a lathe to being able to set up and turn some pretty in-depth projects, okay? So look forward to that coming out. I plan on doing a video on safety. Now that may be down the road a couple of months, but I think there are so many things when we start working with these lathes and table saws and band saws and sharpening tools on the grinder. All of us know we should be wearing a face mask. Most of us understand the importance of breathing protection, but there are just so many things wrapped around safety in these shops that I think it's worth going over. So as you can see, I've got quite a few ideas for videos coming forward, and if I have missed something that you really want to see, Put it in the comments. Let me know, because I promise you, if you're wanting to see it, you're not the only one. There's others out there that are wanting to see it as well. Folks, one more time, I can't thank you enough. It is absolutely amazing to me that a simple idea and me wanting to share a few things that I thought I knew and have learned on video to try to help somebody else has turned into as many videos as it has, as many folks watching, subscribing, liking, and commenting. I'm truly humbled by the experience, and I thank each and every one of you. The original goal of this channel was to, number one, to educate folks, to entertain you, if that's possible for me to do so, and to motivate you to get out in your shop and do more wood turning. Hopefully, I have accomplished those goals. Looking at the comments and everything, I think I've had at least had an effect on some folks. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.